Hey, it's Christoph from Holzhandwerk in Berlin. Today I would like to show you our more or less new edge bonding machine, and it's awesome. This is it, an odd tornado with a table for the feeding, and yeah, I mean, it's huge. It comes from, I think, Ott is Austria something, and it can do from 8 to 60 millimeters, and it has a router bit in the front, which is diamond coated, so very sharp, very clean edges, and yeah, it can do everything. It can bond material like this, but also massive wood edges up to, I think, 14 millimeters thick, and it works with hot melt glue or polyurethane glue, which is what I will use today. And yeah, let's take a look inside, more or less. So yeah, everything is a little bit dirty and a lot of dust, but well, that's it. Yeah, this is the screen. I can enter the thickness of the material. I can enter if I want to use the router bit and which thickness it should cut off. Yeah, then if the ends on the front and the end will be cut off, and if there should the router for making round edges should be on or not. If there's that's a panel that's very interesting. You can use this machine also for pieces which already have some holes in it, like for a cabinet or something. A hole like this, no problem for the machine. Or this one. This is a cabinet board, and yeah, it works pretty good. And there's a little copper, how do you say, some kind of feeling gauge, I don't know how to pronounce that, and so it wouldn't cut into the hole, just glides over it. Yes, that's it, more or less. There's of course a ton of other options which is already programmed. You can have some pre-programmed programs to run and to choose from, and yeah, that's it. This is the glue pot, and you feed the glue inside. Still not completed. I have to look at that a little bit later. Yeah, these are the different aggregates. Here at the front you can see where the edge is feeded onto the edge of the piece you want to bond. Yeah, there's the first cutting station, then here's another cutting station, and so on and so on. It's a lot of techniques and a lot of very sharp tools, router bits, and other things. Yes, it will be very loud. I will start the action in a few minutes when I have checked the machine completely, and hopefully we will get some nice pictures out of it. Okay, stay tuned. So, let's see if it works. As you can see, or maybe not, I don't know, the edge is rounded and yeah, it's very clean, it's perfect. Let's do some more. Now for the big part. Okay, that's it for now. I hope you found it interesting. If you have any questions, just ask and leave some comments, and please like. Thanks, bye.